Imagine waking up 10 years from now. You're older. You're tired. And your bank account looks almost exactly the same as it does today. That's the future most people are heading toward. Not because they're stupid. Not because they're unlucky. But because they keep making the same mistakes every single day. The harsh truth is this. Most people don't become rich because they spend years chasing comfort instead of growth. They wake up, scroll through social media, complain about their situation, watch other people succeed, and then wonder why their own life never changes. Success doesn't care about your excuses. The world doesn't reward potential. It rewards action. Think about it. Two people can have the same opportunities. One spends their free time learning valuable skills, reading books, building a business, or improving themselves. The other spends hours watching entertainment, making excuses, and waiting for the perfect time. 5 years later, their lives look completely different. Why? Because small daily decisions create massive long-term results. And that's the first reason you'll never be rich if you don't change. You keep choosing short-term pleasure over long-term success. Every time you choose comfort over discipline, you're paying for it with your future. But that's not the only problem. The second reason is even more dangerous. Most people believe that time alone will make them successful. They think, one day I'll start. One day I'll save money. One day I'll learn that skill. One day I'll build that business. But one day never comes. Days turn into months. Months turn into years. And suddenly an entire decade is gone. Rich people understand something that average people don't. Your income usually grows when your value grows. If you want better results, become a better version of yourself. Learn new skills. Improve your communication. Understand money. Study successful people. Invest in your knowledge. Because the more valuable you become, the more opportunities come your way. Now here's the good news. If you've made these mistakes before, it's not too late. You don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You don't need a rich family. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need to start. Start saving. Start learning. Start building. Start taking responsibility for your future. 1 hour a day can change your life. One skill can change your income. One decision can change your future. The difference between successful people and unsuccessful people isn't talent. It's consistency. The rich aren't always the most gifted. They're often the people who refuse to quit when things got difficult. So ask yourself, will you keep repeating the same habits that keep you stuck? Or will today be the day you finally take control of your life? Because the truth is simple. You will never become rich by waiting. You become rich by growing. And the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now.